Alright, what's up YouTube? Hey guys, got another unboxing video. This thing just came in the mail. So let's see what's going on in here, guys. Okay, a Reolink camera. Let's get in here. See what the contents are. Antennas. Okay, we've got power cable plug, power cable extension, Ethernet cable, waterproofing, bracket for the handle or the stand here, and of course camera. Right there. There's also fasteners and a screwdriver that came with it. So here guys, this is the camera. So Reolink Duo. It's got two camera lens. There's SD card, left and right antenna mounts. There's a sensor right there. Plug for the Ethernet cable and the power. And let's take a look here. So yes, guys, that's what's in the box. So we will go ahead and I will go ahead and get this camera installed, and I guess I'll have to download the app, things like that, and be back with you guys here in a little while. All right, see you soon. What is up, YouTube? Back at you guys. So here's the camera. It's all mounted outside. Got the electrical running down there, and it's all installed. And what I have to say, guys, this thing works great. I mean, I don't have any complaints about it. So I'm guessing if you guys are interested in this camera right here, I highly recommend it. I mean, I don't see any downside with it. So yeah, there you go, guys. It's just a quick video of an unboxing and a quick review after I set this camera up. Let you guys know, what if there's anything negative to say about it. But as of now, I can't find anything negative to say about it. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and hope you guys have a wonderful day.